Think that you know my heart, and you probably do. So I'm always with you. Even when the weather is low, and that's a beautiful thing.